Here's how to create this eating game video. Step 1. Record a clip with different reactions. Clip 1. Record a video of yourself biting and punching the air. Step 2. Add and animate stickers with keyframe. Import your video into InShot. Tap Sticker. Tap GIF and type what you're looking for in the search bar. Add a keyframe at the start and drag your sticker to the top until it can't be seen. At the end, resize it till it fits your mouth. Now tap Duplicate and repeat this process. You can also change it up with inedibles like a poop sticker. And now that you're done, you'll have an interesting eating game video that is fun to create. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.